Hello students, I hope you all are keeping well. So everyone, welcome back to your online classes. So we will begin with the next subtopic, that is racing drops. And this is the continuation of the same chapter, that is experiments with water, okay? So let's begin. Racing drops. Aisha put 2 drops of oil on the lid of a tiffin box. So in tiffin box, she dropped 2 drops of oil on the lid of that tiffin box. Okay. Next to that, she put 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. So in that same lid only, she dropped 2 drops of water and 2 drops of sugar solution. Okay. She tilted the lid. Then she started to tilt the lid. Okay. She saw some drops slid down quickly, and when she was tilting the lid, what she saw that some drops slid down very quickly. Okay. And while some of the drops were left behind in the lid. So you can also try to do the same and then tell, okay, which drop went ahead and why did it slide faster. You can also try this. So your answer will be drops of water slide faster than the oil drops or sugar solution. Okay. Then why did it slide faster? You have to write the reasons. It slides faster since both oil and sugar solution are thicker than that of water and get stuck to the box by making it difficult to slide. Next is, where did the water go? One day, Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove for making tea. She got busy with something and forgot about it. When she remembered and came to check, she found very little water left in the pan. So, what happened is, one day, Aisha's mother put some water to boil on the stove in order to make tea. Okay. So, Aisha's mother was busy doing something, and she forgot that she has boiled some water in the stove. So she forgot. So when she remembered and came to check that, she found that the water was very little in that pan. So she says that, where did the water go? Okay. So think, where did the water go? So you have to think and write, where did that water go? So the water got evaporated and turned into vapor, because as I already told you what is evaporation, right? So as already told you, evaporation is the process by which water changes from a liquid to a gas or vapor. So the water got evaporated and turned into vapor. Why did Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu keep their mango jelly in the sun? So your answer will be, Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu kept their mango jelly in the sun so that the water from the jelly could evaporate. Okay. At a house, what things are made by drying in the sun? So at my home, following items are made in my house by drying in the sun, like potato chips, papad, pickles, berries, and sabudana papad. Okay. So now in this page, here comes the important history of Indian independence. Okay, that is Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930, before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law that did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salt. By this law, people could not make salt even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said. How can a law not allow us to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji with several other people went on a yatra, that is long walk from Ahmedabad to the Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. So here let's have a glimpse of actual Dandi March. Okay. So Gandhiji began this Dandi March on 12 March 1930 from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. Okay. Through the villages of Gujarat to the town of Dandi near Surat on the Arabian Sea coast, covering the area of 385 kilometers. So, to protest against the salt tax which was imposed by the British governments, okay, they went to Dandi. So there hundreds of people joined the group of followers as they made their way to the sea. Then on the 5th April they reached Dandi. So on the morning of April 6, Gandhi and his followers picked off handfuls of salt along the shore. So thus that technically producing salt and breaking the law. So this is all about the Dandi March. So do you know how the salt is made? As I already told you, the sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sun. After that the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. So what we have learned? You have washed your handkerchief and you want to dry it quickly. What all can you do? So what you all can do is to dry the washed handkerchief. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to squeeze it. Then after that you have to spread out so that it can dry properly. And if it does not dry, you can also use ironing to dry the handkerchief. What things do you put in water to make tea? Which of those things dissolves in water? So to prepare tea, what you need is you have to add sugar, tea powder, milk to water. Okay. So milk and sugar gets dissolved in water while the tea powder settles down at the bottom. Later, by using strainer, we can obtain tea. You have been given some mystery pieces, that is lumps of sugar. Suggest some ways to dissolve them quickly. So lumps of sugar can be dissolved by adding little amount of water and putting it on low flame. Lumps of sugar can be crushed into smaller pieces. Later, by adding water to it, could be heated over flame and continuous stirring results in dissolving. So this is the end of this chapter. And try to copy all the answers whatever I have sent in the WhatsApp. You try to copy all the things in your notebook and you write those things clearly in your notebooks. Thank you.